The first indicator is average true range, which is also called ATR. It just makes sense to use this indicator because it shows you the average of true ranges of a stock over a specific period. It's not a simple formula like A plus B divided by 2. It's a bit more complicated than that. But the good thing about 21st Century is that you don't have to do it manually. The platform will do it for you. How do I use this indicator? This is very important to avoid overextended plays. For example, the ATR of Microsoft is $6.68. Now, on any given day, if Microsoft has already moved $5 for the day and I'm thinking of taking that trade, it doesn't make sense because the ATR says that it can move around $6 to $7 for the day. So there's no point taking that trade because the reward is not there. And the second way this indicator can help you is that if you take Microsoft on any given day, maybe you enter around $330 level and your profit target is $335. That makes sense because your profit target is like 5 points from low of the day if $330 is the low of the day and it's within the ATR.